Welcome to HRPreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR competitive exams. Here we are with one more PSU HR recruitment notification. HPCL released recruitment notification for Human Resource HR Officers, Welfare Officer and Law Officer HR. We will discuss most important points in this notification. HPCL is Maharatna Central Public Sector Undertaking and its government PSU. HPCL invites online application for eligible candidates. Important dates: online registration starts from 23rd June and last day to submit application is 22nd July. Vacancies: there are 8 vacancies for HR officer, no work experience is required. Upper age: 27 years is maximum age limit for general or unreserved category, but age relaxation also given. 5 years age relaxation is for SC and 3 years for OBC NCL category. This is common for all posts. Qualification and eligibility criteria: 2 years full-time post-graduation with specialization in HR or PM or IR or psychology or MBA HR or PM with 60% for OBC and general, 50% for SC or ST. For Welfare Officer, Vishak Refinery, one position is available and need to have PG in Welfare or MBA HR with AP State certification. No work experience is required. For Welfare Officer Mumbai Refinery, one position is available and need to have diploma certificate and certification from Maharashtra. No work experience is required. For Law Officer HR, 2 positions are available, 3 years full-time course in law required. 1 year work experience is required for Law Officer HR. Selection process: need to clear written test first, then group discussion and personal interview. Written test is CBT, computer-based test. Subject knowledge and general paper combination of numerical ability, reasoning or DI and general English. Compensation pay: 16.26 lakhs is CTC for officer category. How to apply? Need to visit HPCL official website, career section, current opening and click on apply online. Need to be ready with photo, signature and required document to upload. Application fee: non-refundable, 1180 rupees is the application fee. Please refer notification before applying. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!